Whenever you notice someone with an impressive physique, your eyes naturally go straight to their shoulders. Wide shoulders make a person look strong, powerful, and well-built. Even among a group of people, someone with broad shoulders stands out instantly. Their physique looks complete, and you could recognize them from a distance just by their shoulders. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 exercises that can help you make your shoulders much wider, and you can start seeing results in just a few weeks. Before we begin, let's quickly understand the shoulder muscles. The shoulders, or deltoids, are divided into 3 parts. 1. Front delts, anterior, side delts, medial. 3. Rear delts, posterior. The exercises I'll show you today target all 3 areas, helping your shoulders grow wider and more defined quickly. The first exercise is the Arnold press. Named after Arnold Schwarzenegger, one of the greatest bodybuilders with incredibly wide shoulders, this exercise is perfect for adding width. Here's how to do it. Hold a pair of dumbbells in front of your shoulders. Press them overhead while rotating your wrists during the lift. Keep the motion controlled and smooth. Perform 4 sets of this exercise. This move is highly effective for broad shoulders and is inspired by Arnold himself. Next is the lateral raise. Lift the dumbbells to your sides until your arms are parallel to the floor. Choose a weight that you can lift safely. Too heavy can injure your shoulders. Do 3 sets of 12 repetitions. This exercise primarily targets your side delts. The third exercise is the front raise. Hold a dumbbell or a weighted household item in each hand. Lift both arms straight in front of you until they are parallel to the floor. Move slowly and with control to engage your front delts effectively. Do 3 sets of 12 repetitions. This exercise strengthens the front delts, improving overall shoulder shape and upper body strength. The final exercise is the bent-over lateral raise, also called the rear delt fly. Bend slightly at the hips with a dumbbell in each hand. Lift your arms out to the sides while keeping your back straight. Focus on slow, controlled motion to fully activate your rear delts. Do 3 sets of 12 repetitions. This exercise develops the rear shoulders, completing the overall width and giving your shoulders a balanced, full appearance. Tips for best results. Rest no more than 1 minute between sets. Using heavier weights with proper form increases shoulder activation. Stay consistent. Performing these exercises regularly will help your shoulders grow wider and stronger faster. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment below, and subscribe for more workouts and tips to build broader, stronger shoulders.